Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the format function in Power BI. This powerful DAX function is designed to transform various data types, such as numbers, dates, and times, into custom formatted text strings. It's incredibly useful for presenting your data in a clear, consistent, and user-friendly way within your reports and dashboards, making your insights more accessible to your audience. Let's look at the basic syntax for the format function. It takes two primary arguments: the value you wish to format, which can be a column or a measure, and a format string. This format string is a text expression that dictates how your value should appear. For instance, you might specify a date format like month, day, year, or a number format with currency symbols, giving you precise control over your data's presentation. The format function offers great flexibility for numbers. You can easily convert a raw number into a currency value, perhaps showing it as $1,234.56. Or you can add thousand separators to large numbers, making 1,234,567 much more readable. It also handles percentages, displaying 12.34% clearly. For dates, the format function is incredibly useful. You can transform a standard date into a more descriptive text, like January 1st, 2024. It's crucial to remember that format always outputs a text string. This means the result cannot be used in subsequent numeric calculations. Therefore, use format primarily for enhancing the visual presentation of your data, ensuring clarity in your reports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.